Guys, pack my hospital bag with me. I'm going to pack my hospital bag today at 34 weeks pregnant. I've been delaying this thing but today that I have small strength, let me just come and do it once and for all before I get too heavy and I'm not able to pack my bag. So let's go into it. Alright, so we're going to start with my Chico bag. As well unboxing it today. See my bag. So we're going to be packing everything into this bag. I hope they all go into this bag. I hope so. But if they don't, thank God the bags are soon. I can always, you know now. You know. So I'm just going to place this here. And we get into packing proper. So I'm going to go with this 2-piece set of wrapper. That's a lot to pack. A lot to pack. Oh my god. I think I'm bending too much. I have to bend at this point. Oh, Jesus. So I'm going to go in with a mat. This is 3 pieces, the living mat. White. These are some cotton boards. Yeah, I all know this now, so that has to go in. This is for my baby's umbilical cord. I think this clip is to hold the umbilical cord, and this is also to like feed baby. I don't know most of the names of these things, so bear with me as the first time, mommy. Yeah. So yeah. I'm trying so hard to do everything, and this is my otumopo for my baby. The Jesus that I know is enough for me. That's my otumopo. I'm going to now go into my Bible, guys. We know they play with this one for over here. We don't joke with this. Yeah. We don't. Let's go into the body wash and baby clothes. So initially, I had it in mind to get this for my baby. Receiving clothes, yes. But I'm feeling like I should change it. So maybe we'll check for something else. Meanwhile, let's get some baby gloves, hand gloves. I'm going to be going with 3. These 3. I'm sweating, pardon me. I'm going to go with cap. I'm also going to be taking 3 caps. Next is socks. Yes, that's been done. I don't know which to carry either this or this, guys. But I'm not going to stay forever in the hospital, so let's take this. Yes. 3 days max, I beg. I'm optioning for this pack of clothes for my baby. Yeah, I need to change this cap because I'm not seeing anything like it over here. So let's get a red cap. I have a red cap. Red cap. There you go. Baby receiving clothes. This is a big. I don't know if it's needed, but I mean, just so I don't leave anything behind. Let me carry it. Jesus Christ. I don't end up sitting down when I know that. Not easy. You're not easy. Pack of combs. Okay. That's a pack of combs. So, of course, very important. Especially when we need to feed baby when baby comes out. Yeah. I'm going to take some from here, but I'm going to go back. I mean, what's happening? Yeah. So, next on the list are diapers. Yes, I took this is about 13 pieces of diaper. You might not use all of them. In fact, it's not possible that we use all of them. Why not we say one stick of hospital? So, yeah. Go in with the diapers. I got it full. Why is it full now? Oh my god. I don't even know if I arrange these things well, to be honest. But if I don't, I can always go trade later. But for the sake of this video, this is what you get. Now, what is it called? It's a receiving wrap. Almost even another last meal. A receiving wrap. I mean, this is what the wrap can be in. Then it comes out. And I have to. Now, this point I'm trying to make a choice. But I'll definitely make a choice. This or this. Baby, which one? This one, no. That and the spirit. This goes back. It stays at home. So we take this one, that says this one. And then remove the cat inside of it so that I can fold it in properly. Oh my god. Can you guys tell me I'm breathing? It's not funny, Now we get baby wrap. I actually have 2 baby wraps. Where's the other one? No, this is tall. I'm not going to go with this tall to the hospital. So I have this baby wrap and this one. At this point, really, I'm not about to have to go to the house. So I'm just going to go with this one. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. I need this handle. All these children things with Serene. How God do? I think I'm not going to use it again. Can you imagine the Serene? What is happening in here? Oh my god. How do I? Okay. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The texture is heavenly. But man, going to the back. This on the back. Yeah. See? This is to stay at home. Stays at home. Yeah. So the next thing is this one is another meal. Breastfeeding wrap. I bought one, but I always buy it more later. Let this one stay here. What next? Let me do this and everything here. I like it. Otherwise there's a bowl or something. So this is all. I'm not going to take this all to the hospital. It stays back home. I have one other towel like that. This is my purse. So I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to be using this small. I'll take small sizes to the hospital. Like this and this. Yep. The big one stays back home. I don't mean I'm sweating so much. There's fan in this room. Look, I don't want the fan to interfere with my sound. Okay. Oh my god. This baby girl. Calming down. Stressing on me too much now. Okay, so let's go into the toiletries. Yeah, so this is the jig. Goya oil. This is a baby sponge. The sponge is inside. The sponge wrap. The floor. This is glove, hospital glove. I don't know what this is. Okay, this is spirit. Or whatever. Yeah. And cotton bud. So yeah, cotton bud. And the last on the list is the baby oil, baby lotion, the golden care, baby's wash, and of course powder, baby's powder. Yeah, those are for my baby. And then this one, this shenanigan, you know that Akbaza. I anybody seen about that video? I'll buy this one, take bath my husband or whoever. Go bath my husband with this one. Come bath every other person will come hospital with this powder. So that's the reason why I carry this one. Sometimes for bashing people. Yes. And we have this soap. Goes in here. And I think, oh my gosh. Oh god, it's not easy. Good mama. Okay. My bag is so full already. I think the last thing should be this tissue. I think I'm forgetting some things already because when I remember, I'll definitely go through the whole thing again. So let's put in our tissue. Yeah. So now we have 3 bags packed. If I forget any other thing, I'll always go back to it later to pack. Guys, wish me luck. These are my baby things. They say I don't get womb, but God don't talk with you, God will talk. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.